Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play big win games. First, it is essential to thoroughly understand the specific rules and objectives of the game you choose. Take a few moments to read through the instructions and familiarize yourself with the game's unique features. Also, pay close attention to the payout structure and the odds of winning. Beginning with smaller wagers allows you to get a feel for the game without significant risk, building your confidence as you learn. Next, developing a smart strategy is key to maximizing your chances. While many big win games involve luck, understanding optimal plays can make a difference. Crucially, always establish a clear budget before you begin playing. Decide on an amount you are comfortable losing and stick to it without exception. It is vital to resist the urge to chase any losses, as this often leads to further financial setbacks. Play responsibly and within your means. To maximize your potential for big wins, actively seek out games that offer exciting bonus rounds or special features. These elements often provide opportunities for significantly larger payouts than standard gameplay. Additionally, take advantage of any promotions, free spins, or bonus credits that might be available. Always read the terms and conditions associated with these offers to fully understand how they work and what is required to trigger those impressive wins. Finally, one of the most important aspects of playing big win games is knowing precisely when to stop. Before you even place your first wager, establish clear win and loss limits for your session. If you hit your target win amount, consider cashing out and enjoying your success. Conversely, if you reach your loss limit, it is time to walk away. Taking regular breaks also helps you stay refreshed and make better decisions, ensuring a positive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.